By incorporating collagen peptides into your nighttime skincare routine, you can improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and achieve a firmer and more youthful complexion. 8. Evening primrose oil. Known for its high content of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, evening primrose oil helps soothe inflammation and improve skin's moisture levels. It has been found to be particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or eczema-prone skin. By adding evening primrose oil to your nighttime routine, you can nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and supple. 9. Bakuchiol. A natural alternative to retinol, bakuchiol is derived from the seeds of the babki plant. It has been shown to have similar anti-aging effects to retinol, such as reducing wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, and promoting collagen production. However, bakuchiol is generally considered less irritating and more suitable for sensitive skin types. Incorporating a bakuchiol-based product into your nighttime routine can provide you with the benefits of retinol without the potential side effects. 10. Chamomile extract. Known for its soothing and calming properties, chamomile extract can help reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation. It also possesses antioxidant properties that can protect the skin from mental stressors and premature aging. By including chamomile extract in your nighttime skincare routine, you can promote a more even complexion and achieve a healthier, radiant glow. 11. Sea buckthorn oil. Derived from the berries of the sea buckthorn plant, sea buckthorn oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega fatty acids. It can nourish, hydrate, and regenerate the skin, promoting a more full and vibrant appearance. Incorporating sea buckthorn oil into your nighttime routine can help improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and enhance overall skin health. 12. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has been used for centuries for its healing and moisturizing properties. It can help soothe irritated or sunburned skin, reduce inflammation, and promote skin regeneration. Adding aloe vera gel to your nighttime routine can provide hydration, calmness, and a refreshed feeling to the skin, leaving it looking rejuvenated and revitalized. Incorporating these natural anti-aging ingredients into your nighttime skincare routine can have a transformative effect on your skin's appearance and overall health. Remember to cleanse your face before applying any products and follow up with a moisturizer to lock in all the goodness. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to your routine and give the ingredients enough time to work their magic. With dedication and the power of natural ingredients, you can achieve a more youthful, radiant, and age-defying complexion. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of these natural ingredients tonight and wake up to beautiful skin every morning. 13. Shea butter. Shea butter, derived from the nuts of the shea tree, is a rich and nourishing moisturizer for the skin. It is packed with vitamins A, E, and fatty acids, which help promote skin elasticity, reduce dryness, and protect against moisture loss. By incorporating shea butter into your nighttime skincare routine, you can deeply hydrate and soften the skin, leaving it smooth and supple. 14. Ginseng extract. Ginseng extract is known for its anti-aging and revitalizing properties. It helps stimulate collagen production, improve blood circulation, and promote skin cell regeneration. With regular use in our nighttime skincare routine, ginseng extract can help firm and tighten the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and enhance the natural radiance of your complexion. 15. Marula oil.